Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fine. Now I'm sharing this emotional video of this young child. He decides to share hope with all of us, hope with the Jamaicans who are almost giving up, and hope to the Jamaican government. And he has a special message to the people of Jamaica and its government. So let's take our time, watch it, then have a close discussion at the end of it. Thank you so much.
Jamaican trainer, let me tell you, some people out there are very jealous of the special gift that God gave you. God gives everybody a gift, but it's how you use it. It's how you maintain it. If you use it the right way, nothing happens. If you use it the bad way, something will happen. But of course, you're gonna have jealous ones, but don't let them dim your light. And I'm gonna say this. We all have our struggles, yes people, we all have our fights, but no one is ever going to dim your life. Don't let no one dim your life, and I will never let no one dim our lives. We stay strong together, you understand me? We are not a sheep. There's nothing wrong with being a sheep, but we are a wolf mentality. A wolf takes over the jungle. Nobody steps in its territory. Because if you're a sheep, they treat you like garbage, like you're nothing. You don't mean nothing. You mean like a piece of rock. And rock don't mean nothing. But if you're a wolf, nobody want to mess with you. Nobody. They want to stay far distance from you. Let me tell you, the devil wants to get you in trouble. God is the one. Follow him. He's leading you to the right direction. We all need to follow him. You understand me? People, we can't lose focus. We can't lose track. Because the devil, you listen to the devil, he leads you to the wrong direction. That's what we don't want to happen. You understand me? That's why I said we have to stand strong. We don't let people push us around. Because the devil, he talks in your ear and he said, do this, do that. And he's basically controlling you. And once you do that, you're in trouble. Something happened. But when you listen to that guy up there, God, who wants the best of you, who gives you that gift, and you use it in the right way, nothing goes wrong. Follow God. He gives everybody a gift, but it's how you use that gift in your way. It's up to you, people. Don't let nobody dim your lights. No matter what they say, no matter how they look at you, whatever they want to say, but don't let it hurt you. You kill them with kindness. Smile. Even if you don't want to put a smile on your face. Do what God tells you, not the devil. The devil wants to get you in trouble. And I will say this once again. We all have our struggles. Yes, people. We're not perfect. We all have our fights. I have my struggles, I have my fights. But I will not let no one dim my lights. And I'm going to leave that with you in your head. No weakness, baby. Shock at the ocean. Believe it, achieve it, become.
Hello brothers and sisters, I hope you're all doing fine. Now we all know in this hard time that we all need hope, and when things are falling apart, we always need somewhere to lean on. We always need a word of encouragement, and that's why I decided to share this good video with you. Now it might come from a young child or a young kid, but there is a lot of information in it. Now if you take your time, absorb the message and try to figure out how the kid is bringing it, and whatever she talks about, all these things are true. Now we need to acknowledge the presence of God or Allah in our lives. We need to acknowledge that there is a supreme being that we can always pray to when things are so hard. Now this message of this kid really resonates with me, and I know it will with most of you who are viewing this video at the moment, because there is hardship that is being experienced all over the world right now. Now there are so many crises that are going on. There are wars. Our sisters and brothers in other countries are facing wars. Other countries are having a political crisis. Other countries are having a political instability. But in all these things that are happening, we should know that there is someone that we can always talk to. this is the information this child is talking about. I know many Jamaicans have been complaining about how the government is working and how the opposition has failed them in some fields, and on how troubles have been on the rise. There are so many hardships, there are so many problems in these times that we live in, but we always need a word of encouragement. We always need someone we can talk to, and that's why I decided to share this video with you. Now, I know there are a lot of Jamaicans who are not having a job at the moment, because we know sometimes the government cannot provide jobs for all its people. You know how it works, right? Because all these people will need salaries, and this means if the government continue providing more jobs for the people, then the cost of living must be on the rise, because they will try to overtax you to accommodate some people. Now, so I know when you don't have a job, you're so much stressed, and you're always like, what am I going to do? What's this life meant for? Why was I born? Why am I in this country? Oh my Lord, rescue me. Yes, I'm here to give you a word of hope. I'm here to give you hope. This child has talked hope into you, and it is high time. We know that everything has an end. The troubles you have today, they will have an end. Today you don't have a job, tomorrow you'll have a job with millions of money. You just have to believe and work hard. And whenever you don't have a job, please do not sit and relax. Make sure you are getting some connections here and there. Even if some of us believe in praying, but prayers do not work without actions, right? So brothers and sisters, I know some things, and sometimes we may feel like we are so much fucked up and things are not even adding up, until you see like you are losing hope, you are getting to the end of it. But that's the time when miracles works. Some people are not do not believe in miracles. They are not believers of that. That's very right. So if you're not a believer of miracle, work until it works. And if you're a believer of miracles, do not stop thinking manna and honey and milk will come from heaven. That ended with Moses. That ended with the people of Israel. Wake up, work hard, pray to God, pray to Allah. Everything will come to an end. The hardship you're going through, if you feel like your country is messing up, please take courage and have hope that things will be well. You know, when we lose hope, there is nothing that sounds so bad like a person who has lost hope. There is no a miserable person in this world like the one who does not have hope. This person can do anything, like taking their lives, destroying other people's lives, and doing other things to harm themselves and others or those close to them. That's why we always need someone who can talk to us, someone who can pump some courage, someone who can pump some hope into us. Sometimes we feel like we are losing it all, but trust me, there are so many people who have made it in life, but they were once in the same situation where you are today. So I'm very, very thankful that I got to share this information about the child. The child is really talking sense. He is a child, but I see a great future in him. Now, he has inspired a lot of people. Some people watched the video while they were giving up, but after watching the video, now they see a new light at the corner. They can always lean to that hope. There is always someone you can talk to. If you can't talk to human beings, the people, the friends close to you, you can always pray to Allah. You can always pray to God, and everything will be fine. Pray take actions, everything will be fine. Remember, faith without action is dead. And remember too, anything you say with your mouth, the tongue has a lot of power in it. So anything you say will one day come around. So be talking positive things to yourself and others, so that that power the tongue carries will not affect you in a bad way, but bring blessings to your life and the lives of people close to you. That's when we know that we are growing up. When we grow with the people around us. So there is always that good feeling after encouraging a brother, after giving hope to a brother who thinks he or she has been pushed to the end of the world, and he or she is giving up and saying, let it happen, whatever wants to happen with my life, let it happen. No, I was once in a bad situation when I wanted to give up, but when you work things out, when you hard work, and when you listen to some good messages of hope, there is life. There is life after those problems you have, and there always be good life for you. Thank you so much for having taken your time to watch this video. I hope it helps you and it gives you hope. Thank you so much. See you, brothers and sisters. I love you.